go.
Holy shit. I'm gonna try to get up here and get a... Hang on. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Hang on. Hang on. I'm right here. It's on the ground.
This is pretty nuts.
It's on the ground. Hon, it's on the ground. It's about to get real bad, real nasty here in Shelby, Ohio. Real fucking nasty. I'm gonna stay with it as long as I can. Ryan, don't go that far, dude. No, you can't run fast enough, dude. Wow. That is some of the craziest shit I've ever seen. That is nuts. Is that thing coming back this way? Holy fuck. We got rotation somewhere. Where?
Right on the edge.
Right on the edge? That's coming this way. What kind of clouds are these, hon? Ryan! Well, I don't think the birds like this either, but this thing here, that thing is just scary.
Nuts, man. That is definitely a tornado.
I don't know what the fuck that is, man. Being torn. Earlier it looked worse than that.
Oh yeah.
Batten down the hatches because it's about to start going. I'm gonna try to zoom in on this.
Tornado siren's going off. Here?
I do.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
That door's open. It sucked the back door open, and it's locked.
Oh no.
That's our sirens! That's our sirens!
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Then how come we can't hear them?
Because they're muffled from the wind or something. That's our sirens.
No, they're not. I don't know why you think that you're from the tornado. They're not having on you.
Got it zoomed in.
You know that?
Ooh, look at that spinning right there.
What?
See it?
Oh shit.
Do you see it? Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm just looking. Look all above us. All that is spinning.
Oh man. This doesn't look good. Make sure they're all good. Will you look in there and make sure they're all in that back room?
Hey, you guys. Back room. Go to the back room. Hey, Riley, go to the back room.
We better get in, hon.
Not yet.
I think he's trying to make a tornado.
What do you mean trying?
Yeah.
We better go in. We gotta get.
Worse wind than this,
I know you was, but I was driving through worse than this earlier. But what are you?
What?
Nothing. I should have turned the video quality up on this. Well, you keep spinning, just keep spinning right on past us, then you can do whatever the fuck you want. Yeah, that was sirens. I think those were our sirens.
Or the people over there.
Might have been Mansfield's sirens.
Or theirs.
But I guarantee it was from that one cloud.
I heard them out in the distance.
Damn. Where's that at?
See him right there?
Let me zoom in on
Looks
him.
like smoke.
Yeah. Well, fuck, the zoom isn't very good on it.
That's the actual cloud.
If this is one giant spinning cloud.
Yeah, it's just one giant spinning cloud.
It's really creepy because it goes slow and then it gets pushed.
Yeah, and the wind's going different directions. It goes soft. Yes.
Look right there.
Right where?
Right there.
Look at it.
By the church steeple?
Yeah, do you see it?
No, toward the right.
Yeah, like to the right there.
But them clouds going that way and this going, that's a big giant ass rotating. See it?
I know, I can't get good enough picture on the video because I fucking needed to adjust that quality and I didn't do it. I can see it spinning. Try to zoom in on it.
That is spinning. Yes, it is.
What do we got? Wow.
It's spinning all over the place.
That's this. Wow, this don't look too healthy right here either. Why have we not got any rain?
I don't know, that's the scary part. Isn't it?
Yeah, I guess. Look at this. This is sick. Look at these clouds.
Isn't that what they call it? The calm before the storm?
This ain't no calm, dude. This is madness.
Oh no, it's madness, but it's supposed to open. Isn't that cute?
The rain's coming though. You can see it. You can see it back there. It's coming.
Dude,
Wow.
It's not scary, but it looks cool. Look.
What's that? Oh my god. It's like a big eye, dude. Well, we better. I'm ready to head in whenever you feel like it.
Really?
I'm not leaving her out here by herself. I ain't going until she's in. Damn, here comes the lightning. Yeah, I don't think that's wise. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what Armageddon looks like. This is crazy. Whoa.
Well, I'm telling you, as soon as that white gets to us, that's when it's going to all come.